the same time you watch in the pop-up menu. Now I come, I just right click that area. Now this, it is mentioned in square meter. The area is mentioned square meter. Suppose I want in square kilometer, see 0.244 square kilometer. If you want in hectares, you just make hectares, it is about 24.443 hectares. If you want in acres, 60.40 acres. Just like this, any feature, area feature, you can do without digitizing. Temporarily you can find out. Suppose in the satellite map you want to know about some feature, some area, temporarily without digitizing. This method you can follow it up. So I am just resetting new. I am just closing this. Again I go to nearby your race course area. Earlier I have digitized, now without digitizing, just I go to this measure area. It has come. You have to set it whether you want in square meter. So just I put it in square meter and just digitizing. That is the compound wall of the race course. Just like right button, click it, stop it. Now you found this, the measurement pop-up menu. It is mentioned in square meter area. Again I go here, click it in square kilometer. See, it has come in square kilometer. Suppose you want in hectares, you can go to hectares, you can find out the hectares. This is how temporarily you can just digitize. I mean, you can find out the area or measure the length between two places. Just I'm closing this. See, it has gone. This only temporary. Only with the internet facility you can do it, because already the satellite imagery is in UTM projection. So whenever you do it, automatically you will find out the area. Similarly, distance between two places also you can just measure. Say, earlier I have done it, and then now, for example, this is your bus stand area. From this junction I wanted to measure up to some point temporarily, so I'll just go here. Now I click measure line. Measure line has come. It is in meters. Default it has come. So I just start from this junction. This is your bus stand, this is your railway station. I start from here, go along with the road, just like digitizing the road. I just move and then take it. See, when I move along, see, this is another junction where you can just move left side to Mysore, right side to Betta. Just I am closing it, right click it. So you can see it is about 1661 meters length. Suppose I wanted to show it in kilometers, I can convert it. So it is about 1.661 kilometer. So just like this, you can just measure the length of any road between 2 points and the area. So this is only purely temporary. Suppose you want to express an area or distance to somebody, you can use this satellite imagery in the background. You can just start measuring using this tool. Hope it's interesting for you. This is how you can make use of the QGIS and then do many things. Thank you very much. If you like this, you press the bell, subscribe it, share it with your friends, and then if there is any comment, please kindly add it. Thank you very much.